Today on the Small Rat channel, we're doing an unboxing. On the box it says VIVO. It is a budget gaming case, VO1 by VIVO. Let's get to the unboxing. Alright, so this is an ATX mid-tower case, and it supports ATX, micro ATX, and ITX motherboards. It also has a matte black finish with interior is all black as well. And it's pretty solid case. It's not really flimsy or anything compared to some of them I've seen. And so on the front we have a USB 3.0, USB 2.0, headphone jack, microphone jack, USB 2.0, reset button, and the power button. And you also have three 5.25 bays for your optical drives, and a 3.5 inch bay as well, right here. Okay, so also let's talk about the cooling in this case. It has a fan actually right behind here. This is all filtered. It's a filtered case only in the front part. It has one pre-installed 120mm blue LED fan, and then they have optional placements. These are also two 120mm fans you can put on the side case vent, and they also have another one on the 80mm fan for the rear. It also has a top mounted power supply, so it's got a lot of plenty of cooling to keep everything nice and cool. And it's really light. It weighs 6.6 pounds. And some other additional feature is graphic card length up to 345mm, CPU cooler height up to 150mm. It has basic cable management, and then it also has thumb screws for easy access to the side panels on both sides. You can pick this up around $35 on Amazon. I'll have a link to it in case you are interested in buying it. I would recommend it. It's a pretty good case. I've used these in the past on some projects, and they work out really good, well. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Small Rat signing out.